When you think of a tape measure, you probably don't think of anything really complicated. Yet hidden within this simple, unassuming device are a host of features that really many seasoned vets may not even be aware of. Let's look at some of the often overlooked features of the humble tape measure. Number one is the case itself. If you have to measure, say, the inside of a drawer, the case itself is a specific length, so you can use it as its own measuring device. This case is 3 inches. It says so right here. Next is the hook, or the tang. The tang has many uses, one of which involves this notch at the end. If you're measuring something long and you only have one set of hands, the head of a nail or screw fits perfectly into that notch to hold it in place for you. The end of the tang is also not flat. That's a scribing surface. Scribing means that in case you don't have your pencil handy, which I don't mind, you can use the end of the tape measure to make a mark on your workpiece. And finally, we all know about the movement of the tang. What is up with that? The width of this piece of metal is 1/16 of an inch. And in case you haven't noticed, when you look at the face of your tape measure, it's missing the first 16th of an inch in measurement. When you hook the tang on something and then pull it tight, it comes out exactly 1/16 of an inch, therefore giving you an exact measurement. But if you're measuring the inside of something and you push the tang up against what you're measuring, it makes sure this 16th of an inch doesn't add to the measurement that you get here. Wow. The tape measure is a staple in toolkits everywhere around the world, and for good reason. Each feature built into this amazing tool is a testament to the genius and the ingenuity of the designers. So the next time you reach for your tape measure, stop for a minute and appreciate this amazing tool.